cycle time o CT, cycle time and takt time sa robotics, no. So kaya ka gumagamit ng robot is para mapabilis yung cycle time at yung iyong takt time. So yung cycle time is available production time divided by unit produced. So ibig sabihin, yung available time, yung working time mo divided by mo dun sa units produced. So dito makikita gaano kabilis yung isang robot para makumpleto yung isang cycle, then tsaka siya uulit. Gaano siya kabilis gumawa ng isang product, tsaka niya uulitin. Yun ang cycle time. And then yung takt time, eto nakikita natin kasi factor dito yung customer demand. So yung available production time divided by customer demand. So ibig sabihin, gaano kabilis mo mapa-factor yung takt time kasi allowable time to produce yung gusto ng customer o yung customer demand. So kung mas mababa yung takt time mo dahil gumagamit ka ng robot, mas maganda. At isa to sa factor kung bakit ka gumagamit ng robotic system to have efficient takt time. So yun yung mga business concept, manufacturing concept na pwede nating i-factor in bakit tayo gumagamit ng robots o ng robotic system. Lalo na sa manufacturing sector, no? Kasi robot, assemble, program lang, yung mga ganun. Pero yung objective no, bakit? Ayan, pinag-aaralan na natin. So, yun lang po.